Imagine getting your important documents signed without having to leave the house, without having to leave your couch, without having to leave the continent outside. We don't know her. Welcome to the world of remote online notarization. My name is Edith, your favorite purple haired notary, and I'm here to tell you why I think that R.O.N is a game changer. So, now let me tell you how it works. So, R.O.N is remote online notarization, and it's basically a digital way that allows you to get your notarizations conducted through a secure video platform. So essentially it's the same thing. We're still raising our right hand. I'm still confirming your identity, but it also has an extra layer. So yes, some people think that it's like Zoom or FaceTime, but on FaceTime I'm not there's no way that the platform is verifying your identity on Zoom or FaceTime, but with remote online notarization platforms, they are. You are asking knowledge based questions, questions like in 1995, you owned a black Honda, you lived at this address in 2001, verifying your identity. And there's also now biometrics involved with verifying the signer. So it's definitely a more secure platform than when everyone during the pandemic was doing everything through like Zoom or FaceTime at the time. Like I said, this way makes it more secure for all parties involved. The reason why R.O.N is so great is because of the flexibility and convenience. Yes, my mobile service is super convenient and I'm also very flexible. However, there are times where clients are overseas. I've had sellers, buyers that are not in the country, and deals still need to close. That's where I come in. I've had clients where they needed something notarized ASAP. When if you've been in a car accident, you have to get a document notarized from and send it to your insurance, something like that. And I've had clients reach out to me to get those documents notarized. They've been in the car doing their notarization. I've had clients in the car driving. I've had clients at the DMV. I've had clients wherever they are. So essentially there's no bounds. I can meet you. You're in Portugal, need something notarized, I got you. You're in Texas, need something notarized, I also got you. So this is definitely works for your international traveler, your busy business person, someone that's on the go. And here at Notable Moments, I'm here for the people on the go. I say it all the time. It's in my little logo. We are here for you whenever you need. If you need notarizations, I bring the notary to you, right? We love convenience. So how does this work? I did mention that there's remote online notary platforms. I personally use the platform Proof and Blue Notary, depending on the day. More than likely, it would be Proof is the platform that I use. What are we going to do next? We are going to upload the document. Then we're going to tag the document. So what I mean by tagging the document, we are going to fill in the information that's there, the signer's names, dates, anything like that. We are going to fill all those in and get that ready for the signer. Add the placements for where my notary stamp and my signature is going to go. We get all of that tagged so everything is prepared before the signing begins. The next step is going to be identity verification. I mentioned you're going to answer knowledge based questions. Basically, again, going back to 1995, you owned a black Honda. You're going to answer questions like that to verify your identity. Or there's going to be the biometrics. It scans your face in comparison to your ID. So make sure you have your ID on hand. Yes, it's going to ask for a picture of your ID, but not one that you keep in your phone, that you keep on deck to prove your ID to somebody sometimes. No, you have to take the picture right there and then so that it's on you, and you still have to keep it on the platform because the notary will ask you to put it to your face to make sure that it matches. Then once you verify your identity, that's it. We are now face to face in the video call. The call is being recorded. The notary, like myself, will verify that you are acknowledging all of these things, that you're acknowledging to being recorded, you're acknowledging that you want to sign this document electronically, and of course that you willingly sign the document and you understand what you're signing. And that's it. We review the documents, make sure that there are no blanks, nothing missing in the document. We have everything, and then you're done. You're prompted to pay, and you receive your documents like that and they're ready for you. Here are some benefits to using remote online notarization. I think one of the best things about remote online notarization that it can be done anywhere. Like I said, I've had clients who are out the country and business still moving. Things are still shaking and happening. Deals still got to get done to no matter what capacity. Like things are always moving and shaking. So I love that wherever my signer is, I just have to be where I'm at and get it done and be able to help you. So definitely the global accessibility makes this a really great idea. Also the enhanced security, right? It is doing things that I can't do regularly as a notary. Yes, I'm looking at the ID, but the biometrics, all of those things, answering the knowledge based questions, that's a extra layer of protection, and I love that. And then of course, time and efficiency. So you don't have to wait for a notary to come to you, which sometimes traffic can be involved. As much as we might, try to be on time, something can happen and it may delay some of those things. And it's also eco-friendly. I don't know about you, but printing paper, not my thing. If I can be digital, I will be digital for just about everything. So I love that there's paper, ink, gas, none of those things are wasted. So, if you care about the earth, this is also an eco-friendly way to get your documents notarized. Again, I've had tons of clients use the remote notarization service. Some it might just also be because, it's a little bit more cost effective than mobile service, and that's great too. I'm still able to provide you a service at a price that you are comfortable paying. And like I said, it's super quick in comparison to in person, like writing in the journal. That can sometimes, depending on how many people there, that takes up the most time is writing in a journal. But everything is inputted digitally and it's there in the journal, so it's super quick. If we don't have any tech issues, also depending on the documents that we're getting notarized, but it takes significantly less time than an in-person notarization if we don't have any tech issues. So if there are no tech issues, we can be out of there in minutes. If it's like one document, 1 to 2 documents, 7 minutes tops with no tech issues, we're out of there. So what an in-person appointment can be 15 to 20, we're now down to 7. So you're definitely saving a lot of time here. But that's R.O.N for you. I love remote online notarization. I think that it's here, it's the future. It's exactly why once it became available in New Jersey, I immediately signed up. I know people are a little, and people still tiptoe around a little bit, still really unsure, uneasy, but I'm definitely here for the future technology. And like I said, I think that it's great and it's the future and I'm here for it. I can do notarizations. I don't have to leave my house either, or I can be in my office and wherever it is, I'm still able to get it done. All I need is my laptop. I story time, met a few clients, they were out, business meeting done, went to the restaurant, met you at the restaurant, and did the remote online. Well, I did theirs in person, and someone who wasn't there did that right there. So they happened at the same time. Did the in-person clients and then also remotely at the restaurant, pulled open the laptop and was able to complete the notarization. So we can close deals within minutes, and I love that for me, for everyone. Wherever I'm at, we can get the notarization done. So if you have any more questions regarding remote online notarization, especially if you're in New Jersey, please write in the comments. I'm here to answer any questions. Let me know, like, share, comment.